A happy family is like a sanctuary of love, support, and understanding. It is a cohesive unit where each member contributes to the overall well-being of the whole. In a happy family, there is a strong foundation of trust, open communication, and shared values. Members of a happy family celebrate each other's successes and provide comfort and encouragement during challenging times. They create a nurturing environment where individuals feel safe to express themselves, share their dreams, and pursue their aspirations. Quality time spent together, whether during meals, outings, or simple moments at home, strengthens the bonds within a happy family. This shared time fosters a sense of belonging and reinforces the importance of each family member in the collective tapestry of their lives. In a happy family, there is an inherent resilience to face life's uncertainties. Challenges are approached as a team, and conflicts are resolved with empathy and understanding. Forgiveness and acceptance play vital roles in maintaining the harmony that defines a truly happy family. Ultimately, a happy family is not devoid of imperfections or disagreements, but it is characterized by the willingness of its members to grow together, learn from each other, and create a space where love and happiness can flourish.